So let's take a look at some really coded stuff here that's out in the open. I mean, that you can see if you just piece shit together. So I'm going back to some of my earliest stuff that I did. Yahoo, or not Yahoo, but YouTube, the language that you're using is called Python. So here we have the serpent. Now this is all tied biblically, not to prophecy or any of that, but it's all the same story, so I'll show you. So here's the serpent Python. Is widely used general purpose high-level programming. Design philosophy emphasizes code readability and its syntax. That means the way that it's written correctly allows programmers to express concepts in fewer lines of code than would be possible in languages such as C. What is C? C is 3, and 3 is what? 3 is Saturn on the Kabbalistic tree. Using third-party tools such as Pi. What is Pi? What is Pi? Pi is P-I, right? And what is pi? It's 3.14. This is what the Masons use. Pi 2. So what is it? It's pi square or pi installer. Stable release. Here you go. Right here. Stable release 3.41. So pi being 3.14 and the stable release is 3.41. Interesting. On 18 May, there's your 9. Now, that's all fun right there. Let's go back in ancient times to Phoenicia. Philo of Byblos, Phoenician history. From above, you can see that many claim that Yahoo or Yahoo is a second divine being. That would be the Lord God in the Bible. You see how they say Yahoo or Yahoo? So here we have Philo, this guy Philo of Byblos, Phoenician historian, writing about Yahoo. Who is Yahoo? Gnostics call a Jewish god an angel of matter, whose planet was Saturn. A 4th century BC Canaanite coin was inscribed Yahoo. So we know that Yahoo is Saturn, and we know that Philo of Byblos wrote about Yahoo and called it Saturn. Let's go down here where it ties it all together. David Philo, who by the way is a redhead, is an American businessman. He was born in 66. It's another number for the fallen angels. Is an American businessman and co-founder of Yahoo. So, what are the odds that you have a guy named David Philo? Okay, well let's just do this. David Philo that wrote and became co-founder of Yahoo in the program of C, which is what? 3, right? And the guy that originally wrote about Saturn, and what's his name? It's the same guy. What a coincidence. Isn't that interesting, boys and girls? How about that? You see how all this is coded? You see how it's all coded? It's all bullshit. YouTube. You know, U is another is not widely used, but U is just another syllable for Saturn. You see this? What are the odds that some dude named Philo of Byblos, a Phoenician historian, would call Saturn Yahoo, and the guy that writes the program Yahoo is named David Philo? Don't you see the big con game going on here? See, this is the type of research that I do. I don't sit around and call you a dumb fucking goyim, because not many people will be able to sit down and do this. Doesn't make me a great guy or a wonderful or smart guy. It just means that I'm tenacious and I keep digging and I keep digging. Okay? And now that you know it, now you're not a dumb goyim. Okay? And you don't have to run to some douchebag that sits around and speaks in riddles. Do you understand? You can do this yourself. Because nothing is hidden. You just have to dig. YouTube. And that fucking building they got, a 901 Cherry Lane. Bullshit. Fuck off. This is the reality of it. It's all bullshit. It's a big con game. You're going to tell me the first dude that wrote about Saturn and named it Yahoo? And then the dude that wrote the program? One's named Philo here and the other one's named Philo here? And all they did is substitute an F for a PH? Fuck off. The jig is up, motherfuckers. We're not all stupid.